Enter by the narrow gate, for wide is the gate, and broad is the way that leads to destruction, and there are many who go in by it. Because narrow is the gate, and difficult is the way which leads to life, and there are few who find it. In Matthew chapter 7, verses 13 to 14. A warm welcome once again. Welcome to Passageway. I'm Kim Cabaron. Now, when Jesus speaks of a narrow gate, he is not merely describing a destination. He is describing a way of living. A wide road requires little thought. It is the path of habit, impulse, distraction, and imitation. One simply follows the crowd. No awareness is needed. No examination is required. The broad road is easy because it asks nothing of us. But the narrow gate is different. The narrow gate is entered one person at a time. No crowd can carry us through it. No tradition, family, culture, or religious label can pass through it on our behalf. We must awaken to where we are, who we are, and where we are going. Many people can spend years speaking about God while remaining unaware of their own heart. They can know doctrines, but not know themselves. They can be busy with religion while asleep to the presence of God. Jesus repeatedly called people to wakefulness. Watch, be alert, have ears to hear. Awareness is not the goal itself, but it is the doorway through which transformation begins. When we become aware, we notice our pride before it controls us. We notice our anger before it becomes violence. We notice our fear before it becomes unbelief. We notice God's presence in places we once ignored. Awareness allows us to hear the still, the small voice that is drowned out by the noise of the world, the broad road. The narrow gate is narrow because truth is narrow. We cannot carry our illusions through it. We cannot carry excuses through it. We cannot carry our false self through it. The gate is narrow because only what is real can pass through. Every day we stand before two roads. One is crowded, noisy, and popular. The other is quiet, demanding, and often lonely. The broad road says, follow your impulses. The narrow road says, pay attention. The broad road says, go with the crowd. The narrow road says, listen to God's voice. Few find the narrow gate because few are willing to stop long enough to look for it. Yet Jesus Christ stands before us today, inviting us to awaken, to become aware, to examine our hearts, to walk deliberately rather than drift aimlessly, to choose life rather than distraction. May God give us eyes that truly see, ears that truly hear, and hearts that remains awake to His presence within us. For the narrow gate is found by those who are willing to pay attention to God, to truth, and to the condition of their own souls. Amen. A blessed day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.